What's the meaning of concourse? Concourse. Concourse.
Concourse. Concourse. Concourse can have different meanings depending on the context. In general, it refers to a large open area, often found in airports or train stations, where people can walk and move around freely. A concourse can be a bustling hub of activity, with crowds of travelers coming and going, rushing to catch flights or trains. It may also have various amenities, such as shops, restaurants, and information desks, providing convenience and comfort for passengers. In short, a concourse is an important transportation infrastructure that facilitates the movement of people and goods, while also serving as a center of commerce and social interaction.